Guys, got the LOSI Promoto. Finally got one. Late to the party, but better late than never. I like to make an entrance, so let's open this bad boy up. Let's see what we got. Alright, got the plastic wrap off. Comes with this little stand that it sits on. Man, this thing is sick. Gotta take this out for a rip. That's where the battery goes, back there, right under the muffler. We don't scuff it out. This is a real chain. This is a real bike chain. Has oil on it. Some sprockets, so don't get your finger stuck in there. You'll have a real bad day. Bang, sick. Chain, sprocket, real disc brakes. Oh yeah, we gotta see how this thing goes. It's so nice, I don't even want to dirty it, but it's a dirt bike, man. We gotta get to it. And they give you chain lube too. Like I said, there's a real bike chain on that thing. It's so awesome, man. So cool. Give you the lube for the chain. Some tools. Feel pretty solid too. The spikes for the stand so you can launch with that little bike stand right there in the grass, dirt, whatever. And yeah, that's it, man. Just some of these things, whatever this is, I haven't figured it out yet. And a little adapter. Tell me this thing ain't awesome. I'm telling you, bro, this thing is sick. Can't wait to rip. It's the green team. Be right back. Got the Promoto out. Maiden voyage. I've had this for a while, for a couple of weeks now. And it's our first time taking it out. The weather's been really crappy, but today's not too bad. It's like 35. So fire up. It's doing something. Then you turn the flywheel on. I hate these smart batteries. It discharged itself because I charged it like a week ago. And I didn't use it and it uncharged itself. I didn't think about that. Sounds like an airplane. It actually is like an airplane if you think about it. It's only gonna stay on its wheels while in motion. If you stop, it's gonna tip over. There we go. There we go. Yep. Little battle scars from road rash. You have to get him a new outfit. We didn't get to send it off the jump today, but it's cool. I still got to figure this thing out. There's so many switches and things and modes. There's a wheelie mode where it'll hold a wheelie. That's what we was trying to do, but hope you guys enjoyed the short video. There's going to be more of this to come, so make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment. We'll get back to you. Peace.